In this video, I'll show you how to manage your Voghion account on both the mobile app and the PC website. We'll cover how to register, sign in, sign out, and delete your account, along with a few important things to keep in mind. To create a new account, open the Voghion app and tap me in the bottom right corner. Tap sign in, enter your email address, then tap continue. Create a password that includes letters, numbers, and special characters. Complete the security verification, tap register, and your account will be created automatically. To sign in, go to me and tap sign in. Enter your registered email address and tap continue. You can also sign in using your Google, Facebook, or Snapchat account. To sign out, go to me, then tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll to the bottom and tap sign out. When the confirmation appears, tap pretty sure to complete the sign out. Before deleting your account, make sure your account has no security risks and all orders are completed with no pending or after sales requests. To delete your account, go to me, settings, scroll down and tap on delete account, then tap apply. Deleting your account will permanently remove your account data, files and images, and you'll no longer be able to use the account for purchases. Check the agreement box and tap continue. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to your registered email. If you don't receive it, check your spam or junk folder. Enter the code and tap confirm application. Your deletion request will be submitted and your account will be permanently deleted after 3 days. If you change your mind, simply sign back in within those 3 days to cancel the deletion request. For website operations, to register a new account, click register in the top left corner. Enter your email address and click continue. Create a password using the same requirements as the mobile app. Complete the security verification, then click register. To sign in, click sign in. Enter your email address and click continue. You can also sign in with your Google or Facebook account. To sign out, click your username in the top left corner. Select sign out from the menu, then confirm by clicking logout. The deletion requirements and process are the same as on the mobile app. On the website, simply click your username, go to my profile, scroll to the bottom and select delete account. Click apply to delete account. Review the notice, agree to the terms, enter the verification code sent to your email and submit your request. Your account will then enter the same 3-day deletion period, during which you can still sign back in to cancel the request if needed. And that's everything you need to know about managing your Voghion account on both mobile and PC. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next tutorial.